Moving on to the latest political news that we are getting, BJP has postponed the selection of the Maharashtra Chief Minister to after Diwali. Now, amid speculations that the party is exploring the possibility of going it alone in the state. Now, what Headlines Today has learned is that BJP is considering a minority government in Maharashtra. With a deadline of the second week of November, the party has at least 3 weeks to form government in the state. Even central observers Rajnath Singh and JP Nadda have postponed their trip, and the legislative party meet is now scheduled after Diwali. Importantly, the party is reportedly exploring two options in the first state. BJP could form a minority government in the state with support of independent MLAs and smaller parties. Now, this gives the party about 137 MLAs, still 8 short of the magic figure. With outside support of the NCP and its 41 MLAs, BJP feels it would be in a comfortable spot. Meanwhile, the second option, waiting for Shiv Sena to make its offer and then staking claim for government. Now, this, however, is less likely given the fact that Sena would want its own deputy chief minister as its pound of flesh. A section of BJP is strongly opposed to giving Shiv Sena any leeway in talks. Now, what the 1995 formula that could come, according to the agreement nearly 20 years ago, the two parties would share the chief ministerial and the deputy chief ministerial posts. Also, Sena would get important portfolios like home, finance and irrigation. The BJP leadership, in conversation with Headlines Today, has clearly rejected this formula, calling it archaic and unrealistic.
Sir, the BJP doesn't seem to be in a hurry to form the government.
No. हम कोई जल्दी में नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी महाराष्ट्र को एक अच्छा सुशासन देने का पूरा वादा किया जनता से, और जनता ने हमको वर्डिक्ट भी इसी लाइन के दिया. और हम चाहते हैं कि जो महाराष्ट्र का विकास करना चाहते हैं, जो महाराष्ट्र प्रदेश को आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं, ऐसे सब लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े और वो हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं.
Does that include the Shiv Sena as well? Because we hear that there are some backroom talks also on between the BJP and Shiv Sena.
अभी किसी लेवल पर जहां तक मुझे ध्यान है कोई बातचीत शुरू हुई नहीं है. अगर दिल्ली हुई होगी तो दिल्ली जाने, लेकिन दिल्ली की ओर से हमें भी कोई संकेत आए नहीं है. लेकिन अगर शिवसेना बातचीत के माध्यम से साथ आती है तो हमारी पार्टी उसका स्वागत करेगी.
The time that is being taken, the delay that is taking place to put pressure on the Shiv Sena to take out their bargaining power from them?
नहीं, देखिए, कोई डिले नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूर्ण क्षमता में, और हमको जितनी चाहिए उतनी संख्या में सरकार बनाने वाले. ये दिवाली का प्रसंग था, कल हमने विजय उत्सव मनाया है. 1-2 दिन अभी सभी विधायक अपने अपने क्षेत्र में जाके जनता को भी धन्यवाद देंगे, और फिर जब भी पार्टी चाहेगी, हो सकता है 2 दिन बाद ही बुला ले, लेकिन जब भी पार्टी चाहेगी वो निश्चित रूप से पार्टी बुलाएगी.
But do you have the numbers when in case you've been called to form the government in next 2-3 days?
देखिए, अभी उनको नंबर की जरूरत नहीं रहती. सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी के नाते महामहिम जी हमको निमंत्रण देंगे और हम जाएंगे निमंत्रण स्वीकार करके. हम सरकार बनाएंगे, पर फ्लोर पे जब क्या स्थिति बनेगी उस समय हमारे पास पर्याप्त नंबर होंगे.